Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha narrates that once Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam mentioned his intention to observe I'tikaf in the last 10 days of Ramadan. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha requested permission for I'tikaf and Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam granted it to her. She ordered the setup for her tent and it was arranged accordingly. Observing this, Hazrat Hafsa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha suggested to Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha to seek permission for I'tikaf as well, and she obtained permission. Following Hazrat Hafsa, Hazrat Zainab Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha also requested permission and her tent was set up. When Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam saw many tents set up in the mosque upon his return from prayer, he inquired about them. People informed him that those were the tents of Hazrat Aisha, Hafsa and Zainab. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam asked if they intended to seek goodness through I'tikaf. He then went back and upon returning asked again. When informed that it was Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha, Hazrat Hafsa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha and Hazrat Zainab Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha, Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam remarked, "Do you want to earn goodness through this act?" Since he did not perform I'tikaf, Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam decided not to do so and came back to perform I'tikaf in the mosque for the last 10 days of the month of Shawwal after Eid. Musnad-e Ahmad, Hadith number 23448.